So this is Graham, and you can see he's beside a very nicely weeded flower bed, which he's been doing all today. Tell us about what you've done in the garden, Graham, over the last few weeks.
Taking out laurel bushes, roots, put all new fence panels up, put all manure and that in the garden, and the lady of the house planted it, no problems. I wake up in the morning with backache, and I use the Buttafly to ease it. Once I start, it goes.
How often do you use it?
When I need to. Sometimes I could use it 3 times a week, sometimes I don't. Depends how I wake up.
So you tend to use it as a treatment rather than as a preventative measure?
Use it as a treatment.
Yeah. When you're not kind of working on your own garden, you volunteer on a farm, don't you?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
And what do you do when you're up there?
Fencing, ground clearing, cutting bushes down, trimming hedges, pulling out tree roots, whatever is necessary.
Everything and anything. And you get, I mean, considering you've got quite a nasty limp and your knees are short, you get up and down pretty well, don't you? Could you just demonstrate for us, Graham, so people can just see? You sort of almost throw yourself down, and that's how you were doing the weeding today?
Yeah. No problems, no aches, no pains.
All right, and then come on, get yourself up, love. There you go. Just as well you've got good hips. Brilliant. All right, well, thank you for sharing with everyone. We'll let you go back to your Guinness and enjoy your evening.